Hey everyone, welcome back to the KataLYST Kickoff here, February 22nd, 2026. For any of you who missed it, we did have a webinar earlier this week on Monday breaking down the fourth quarter of 2025, but also the whole year and our goals as well. Check out our YouTube channel for that as well. It'll be coming up here soon, about an hour long, all about the Des Moines marketplace here, sales, rent, expenses, cap rates, everything you need to know as well. Now, let's get you guys all up to date with what's happening in the Iowa multifamily real estate in the last week. So we did see a couple of sales come out. First is the Trilene Village, 701 Northeast 5th Street, Ankeny, Iowa here. Unpriced, 54 units here, no price per unit, price per square foot, no cap rate as well. This property was sold a few years ago, about 2019, I believe, as well. So I believe the debt is probably coming due, about 5-7 year debt as well. Very good location as well, but they're probably going to look for a pretty high price from this property here. Again, the debt should be coming due. It was just sold about 5-7 years ago as well. I toured it with clients back in that day. Pushing forward here, we're going up to Ames. We have 215 Jewel Drive, Ames, Iowa here, 1.085 million, 8 units, 22 beds. I want to put that in because remember, campus house, student housing, we run that by the bedroom, not by the unit count. So really important to make that distinction. $135,625 is the price per unit, and I believe $63 price per square foot. Not for sure about that here as well, but make sure to check that one out there. Again, probably student housing rental there in Ames. We're going to pivot all the way over to Cedar Rapids now. Actually, I have the wrong address here. 361 30th Street Drive, Southeast Cedar Rapids here. $705,000, 12 units, $58,750 price per unit. $60.69 price per square foot, and a 7.91% cap rate pro forma. Probably an actual cap rate, I believe, looking at that price per unit, price per square foot, and knowing the rents in that area. It's probably a pretty accurate cap rate here, so definitely take a look at that deal as well with Darren Garman. And then we're going to pivot all the way up to the north here, 122 Washington Street, Cedar Falls, Iowa. Really interesting deal here, 1.495 million, 15 units, $99,667 price per unit. No price per square foot, but a 7.38% cap rate. This is an actual cap rate. What's interesting about it is that they actually mention it in the comments. This is a mix of short-term and medium-term rentals here. It looks like it used to be, if you look at the outdoor exit points here, you can sell the outdoors. Could have been a motel converted or a hotel converted. You can see the hotel over here as well. So probably a motel converted to some kind of rental place, maybe some, again, short-term rentals as well. So really interesting. And I want to point this out because I think we're going to start seeing some more of this kind of sale coming about in the next few years, is owners who are looking to kind of maximize their return, looking at midterm or short-term rentals here as a way to kind of blend the realm between multifamily and hotel to try to juice their returns as well. So for any owner operators out there looking to kind of juice returns, midterm, short-term rentals could be an option like this one here we're looking at. For sales, we did see 810 Peyton Avenue, Des Moines, Iowa, trade hands with CBRE. This is a very interesting sale for anybody out there watching here. I was the previous sales agent here. I represent the seller. I did not represent buyer. And I want to point that out because it was sold at a 30% discount to when I sold it here. I sold for $3.725 million. It traded at $2.58 million, 54 units, $48,870 price per unit, $60.72 price per square foot, and a true cap rate of 7.54%. This owner I know was into it for way more than $3.7 million, lost a lot of equity, a lot of money on this deal here. Guys, from me out there watching, I said this even in my webinar on Monday. This is just one of the popcorn kernels popping, one of the dominoes falling. We're starting to see more and more of this as well. We know this foreclosure that just got awarded. It was kind of marketed, I believe, through JLL, not publicly, but it was out there as well. So we're starting to see more and more of these foreclosures, these distressed sales come up. Again, even pointing to Trilene, I believe we're seeing some of this debt start coming due, so owners are considering selling. So for anybody out there looking to buy, there could be opportunities now. Let's make sure you're being very cognizant, cautious of what you're buying. Looking forward to this week, we have consumer confidence coming out on Tuesday, jobless claims coming out on Thursday here, so be on the lookout for that. That is your KataLYST Kickoff here. I'm going to let you all get back to your week. As always, subscribe to our channel here. Any questions, text me. 515-639-0145, and we'll see you next week.